Hello guys, welcome back to TechOceanific. Guys, today I came with my next video, and on this video you're getting to be excited and about this case the new things on your mind. So guys, today I'm going to show how to see the hidden file, how to find a hidden file on your computer or your desktop. So guys, today I came with my next video. So guys, this is the logo of my channel. So guys, let's download the software. Guys, I've given the link on my description, so you can download directly from there. So the software name is Hidden File Finder. Okay, as you know, the meaning of the Hidden File Finder means so there is a security explorer and it comes. It is the most popular site for the hackers. So it is type of a hacking website. So from where you can download this kind of software. It is a hidden file finder. It is a free software. Quickly scan and discovers all the hidden files on your Windows system. So let's download this software. As I've given the link in the description, you can directly download from there. So don't get any confusion. So let's download it. So again, thank you. Here is your hidden file finders for download. So let's stay safe. So it will depend on the internet, how much internet is fast. So 50, 58, or 67, 74, 78, 81, and sometimes like in 100 it is going to be. So it says done for running security scan. So let's open the folder. So you are seeing that I have downloaded 3 times, but so let's open this folder. So extract all. I have downloaded because I am doing it for last 3-4 months. So guys, so it has been opened after actually setup. It is for run option to run the program. So I forgot to tell that I want to run so as you can see, the permission could not verify. There is confusion because I am using for last 3 months. So this software does not have any virus or that kind of hacking. So this is the no problem. So you can run it. So next, it gets maximum 6.27 MB. So next, install the software. So it is showing more adventure life resistance review. Oh my god! As I download many of the software. So as I install it, open this software. So let's start scan how much hidden file folder is there on the desktop. So it will totally show you on the screen. So this is the hidden file finder software. So now it is the time for, oh my god, 8 hidden file folders. So it will on this kind of it will okay. So type file, it will show every executable unknown, that is 10 KB. This is the file size, date, path, where you have stored, so where is the software. So you can click 2 or more. Okay, so you can click unhide, there to unhide one or more selected. Okay, so click on one, so unhide. So it is showing that are you sure you want to unhide one or more selected hidden file. You can select okay, as it has been done, unhide this one is has been, as you can see, unhide successfully complete file unhide operation. So as you can see friends, on this kind of 31.8 as you can see there. So let's open folder. So there is some kind of office HTML. I don't know what is XML. So guys, if you open that list, so this is the HTML code it is showing. So guys, I have successfully recovered the file. So guys, if you like my videos, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. And this is the new thing that you have learned from this video, and share with your friend. And my next video I am going to show more about this exciting hidden file finders and more many things about the software that is totally about the hacking. So guys, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll come with my next video within 5 days. So within 5 days, or it will take 2 or 3 days, so don't take attention. So guys, meet you in next video.